animals that will go extinct in 2067. Sadness warning. Oh no. I'm not ready to be sad, but I guess we need to watch this to spread awareness of these animals. Only two smiling baby pigeons left. Are all the other baby pigeons losing their smiles? Is it because of the international bread shortage? Only 41 bald lions left. This means all the lions out there are growing hair. That means they're going to be spending at least an extra $15 a month on hair products. This isn't good. All the non-bald lions are going to go broke. God damn, that's a clean thing though. Only 6 tennis pigeons left. Like, this can't be right. I'm pretty sure I seen these guys on sale on Amazon last night. The strawberry elephant is now extinct. This was my favorite elephant.